हेलो माय नेम इज़ अमन शर्मा फ्रॉम ओनली एजुकेशन और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं व्हाट आफ्टर पीसीएम. Everyone says choose your career wisely after 12th, but nobody really tells how to do it, right? You have completed your 12th with physics, chemistry, and maths, and suddenly every relative, every friend has a different opinion about your future. कुछ मत सोच, engineering कर ले, safe है. But the question is, safe for whom? Because a career is not about playing safe. It's about finding the right direction. आज हम बात करेंगे उस जर्नी की जो ऑलमोस्ट हर पीसीएम स्टूडेंट के दिमाग में होती है, बट जिसे समझने में लोगों से होती है सबसे बड़ी गलती. Yes, we are talking about engineering. Not just the degree, but the mindset, the opportunity and the truth behind it. What is engineering? Engineering का मतलब सिर्फ machines या coding नहीं होता. It means creating solutions, turning imagination into impact. Bachelors of Engineering, BA, or Bachelors of Technology, BTech, both are 4-year degrees that teach you how to design, develop, and innovate. BE focuses a bit more on theory, while BTech focuses more on the real-world applications. But honestly, career के level पे दोनों एक जैसी ही valuable हैं. It's not about the name printed on your degree. It's about the skills written in your brain. Choosing the right branch. Now this is where most students go wrong. They don't choose their branch, they follow someone else's. So let's fix that. Here is how to choose your branch smartly. First, computer science, AI, data science, cybersecurity. If you love logic, coding and problem solving, this is your world. CAC graduates work with algorithms, data and apps that shape the future. Average package 8 to 12 LPA in top colleges. Scope limitless from startups to Google. Electronics, electrical, instrumentation. Love gadgets, circuits, sensors? Then you're the architect of modern devices. IoT, Internet of Things, chips, automation. Chip industry boom की वजह से इस फील्ड में डिमांड अभी भी ऑल टाइम हाई है. Mechanical, mechatronics, automobile, robotics. If you like designing and building, this is your playground. From 3D printing to robotics, mechanical engineers are no more just about engines. They are about innovation in motion. Civil, environmental, planning, if you dream of shaping cities and building the future. Civil and environmental engineering gives you that chance. Smart cities, green buildings and sustainable design, ये सब इस फील्ड का नया फेस है. Chemical, materials, petroleum, metallurgy, for those who like chemistry with the real world twist, energy, biotech, manufacturing, FMCG, this field has depth and diversity. But remember, branch का scope तभी दिखता है जब तुम interest plus skills दोनों से काम करते हो. पैकेज के पीछे मत भागो, अपनी curiosity के पीछे जाओ. Entrance exams conducted by NTA twice a year, January and April. Score well here and you can get into NITs, triple ITs and GFTIs. Top 2.5 lakh rankers move on to JEE Advanced, the golden ticket to IITs. Subjects: physics, chemistry, maths. Duration 3 hours. Marking scheme 4+ for correct, -1 for wrong answers. But don't worry, JEE के अलावा भी बहुत options हैं. BITSAT, VIT, EEE, SRM JEE, MET, Manipal entrance test और स्टेट एग्जाम्स जैसे MHCET, महाराष्ट्र एंट्रेंस टेस्ट, COMET-K, गुजरात CET. Every exam has a pattern, but success का formula same है. Concept clarity, practice, time discipline. Top engineering colleges in India. Now let's talk about the places where the best engineering minds of India are shaped. Colleges जिनके नाम से ही confidence आ जाता है. Top IITs, Indian Institutes of Technology. These are India's dream destinations for every JEE aspirant. They are not just colleges, they are ecosystems of innovation. From IIT Bombay, Madras, Delhi, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Roorkee, Guwahati, Hyderabad, BHU, Indore has its own legacy. Average fees 8 to 9 lakh for 4 years. Average placements 20 to 25 lakhs per annum ka package. Highest packages go above 50 lakhs per annum internationally. Top recruiters include Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, ISRO, and top startups like Zomato, Meesho, and Swiggy. Every IIT has its own identity. Bombay for innovation, Madras for research, Delhi for opportunities, Kanpur for hardcore engineering, Kharagpur for its unmatched campus life. Top NITs, National Institutes of Technology. अगर IIT नहीं मिला कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, because NITs are equally powerful if you use them right. These institutes consistently produce some of India's most successful engineers. Top NITs include Tirchi, Surtkal, Rourkela, Warangal, Calicut, Kurukshetra, Durgapur and Silchar. Average fees around 5 to 6 lakhs for the entire course. Average placements between 10 to 18 LPA. Top branches computer science, ECE, mechanical, civil and chemical engineering. Top recruiters Infosys, L&T, Deloitte, Amazon, TCS and Accenture. NIT एक ऐसी जगह है जहां हार्ड वर्क का रिवॉर्ड डायरेक्टली मिलता है. टॉप ट्रिपल IITs, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. अब अगर तुम्हारा पैशन है कंप्यूटर्स, कोडिंग और टेक, देन ट्रिपल IITs आर लिटरली योर हेवन. टॉप ट्रिपल IITs include ट्रिपल IIT हैदराबाद, इलाहाबाद, दिल्ली, ग्वालियर, जबलपुर, गुवाहाटी, Kanchipuram and Pune. Average fees 6 to 8 lakhs total. Average placements 14 to 15 LPA, especially in computer science and AI branches. Recruiters Google, Adobe, Oracle and major fintech startups. ट्रिपल IIT हैदराबाद तो ऑलमोस्ट मिनी IIT जैसा प्लेसमेंट देता है. AI और मशीन लर्निंग कंपनीज की डिमांड यहाँ हमेशा हाई रहती है. टॉप प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड डीम्ड कॉलेजेस. प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ आज के टाइम में सिर्फ बैकअप ऑप्शन नहीं रहे. Many are industry linked, powerhouses with modern labs, global tie-ups and excellent placement support. Let's talk about the best ones. BITS Pilani, Goa or Hyderabad campuses. Around 22 lakh total fees. Average package 19 LPA. Known for total global alumni, product-based companies and startup culture. VIT, Vellore Institute of Technology. Fees 8 lakh total. Average package 11 LPA. Modern labs and international tie-ups. SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. Fees 12 lakh total. Average package 10 LPA. Very strong industry connections. Amrita Vishwa Vidyapitham, Coimbatore. Around 10 lakh total fee. Average package 10 LPA. Known for its strong research ecosystem. MIT WPU. MIT World Peace University, Pune. Fees 9 lakh total. Average package 9 LPA. Popular choice in Maharashtra. Manipal Institute of Technology. Fees 14 lakh total. Average package 12 LPA. Global exposure and excellent campus life. Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala. Fees 13 lakhs total. Average package 10 LPA. Very industry driven curriculum. Symbiosis Institute of Technology, Pune. Fees 11 lakhs total. Average package 8 LPA. Balanced academics and great focus on soft skills. KIT University, Bhubaneswar. Total fees 15 lakh. Average package 9 LPA. Excellent placement record and support. Chandigarh University, CU. Total fees 8 lakh, 8.5 lakh का average package. One of the fastest growing private universities in India. Sastra University, Tamil Nadu. Total fees 6 lakhs, average package 7 LPA. Value for money with strong academics. Private colleges can actually give you the same success if you know how to use the platform. Strong internship projects and networking can give you equal or even better ROI than some public colleges. The truth is, right college isn't always the top one. It's about the fit, the environment where you actually grow. Some students shine at IITs, some create startups from private colleges, और कुछ अपने घर से ही world class apps बनाते हैं. So instead of chasing names, chase learning, mentorship and exposure, क्योंकि वही तुम्हारा real college बनेगा. Fees and value. Average engineering fee 2.5 से 3.5 lakh per year होती है. Government colleges affordable हैं, private थोड़े expensive हैं, but never judge a degree by its price tag. Judge it by how much you grow in 4 years. इंजीनियरिंग में ROI तब मिलता है जब तुम प्लेसमेंट नहीं, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने की हैबिट डेवलप करते हो। आफ्टर BTech, your story splits into 3 roads. First, campus placement, software, analytics, core, consulting, product or research roles. Starting salary 5 to 10 LPA, top performers 20 LPA plus easily. Higher studies, MTech, Masters of Technology via GATE, MS via GRE or MBA via CAT exam. Each opens different dimensions of growth. Third, entrepreneurship. Because engineers are naturally problem solvers, from Ola to Zerodha, Indian startups have engineering DNA. Remember, engineering doesn't teach you subjects, it teaches you how to think. A 4-year roadmap. Year 1, learn basics, programming and communication. Join a club. Year 2, focus on tools, CAD, coding, simulations, circuits, do mini projects. Year 3, internships, hackathons, research papers, portfolio building. Year 4, capstone project, placements और higher studies prep. By the end, तुम समझ जाओगे डिग्री से ज़्यादा वैल्यूबल होता है एक्सपीरियंस. Common myths. Only IIT students succeed. Wrong. Skill is greater than college. Mechanical में जॉब नहीं मिलती. Wrong. Hybrid skills equals high demand. CSE safe branch है. Wrong. Every field has potential if you keep learning. Engineering एक identity नहीं, एक approach life है जो हर situation में काम आता है. At the end of the day, engineering is not just about machines or codes. It's about discipline, innovation and impact. क्योंकि एक इंजीनियर वो होता है जो दुनिया को नए नज़रिए से देखता है, जिसे हर प्रॉब्लम में एक सल्यूशन दिखाई देता है. So don't just choose a branch, choose a purpose. Because जब तुम्हारा काम किसी और की ज़िंदगी आसान बनाता है, that's when you become more than an engineer. You become a creator. और अगर तुम भी उस कंफ्यूजन में हो, कौन सा ब्रांच सही है, कौन सा कॉलेज चूज करूँ, then don't worry. Only Education is here to guide you. यहाँ मिलती है फ्री 1-to-1 काउंसलिंग, जहाँ हम तुम्हें देते हैं एक परफेक्ट डायरेक्शन based on your goals, interest and future scope. So take that one step today because sometimes right guidance can change your entire journey. And this is just the beginning. इंजीनियरिंग के बाद कहानी खत्म नहीं, अब तो शुरू होती है एक नई दुनिया जहां डिजाइन मिलता है लॉजिक से और क्रिएटिविटी मिलती है कैलकुलेशन से. नेक्स्ट वीडियो, बैचलर्स ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर एंड बैचलर्स ऑफ प्लानिंग, लाइंस दैट बिल्ड सिटीज, आइडियाज दैट शेप स्काईलाइंस. फिर मिलेंगे स्काई और सी के सफर में, पायलट लाइफ, मर्चेंट नेवी डिसिप्लिन और साइंस के क्यूरियस माइंड्स के साथ. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. ये सिर्फ करियर गाइड नहीं, तुम्हारे ड्रीम्स का डायरेक्शन मैप है. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू ओनली एजुकेशन फॉर फ्री काउंसलिंग, रियल गाइडेंस और तुम्हारे फ्यूचर का परफेक्ट पाथ. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. कीप लर्निंग, keep growing and keep building your dream.